Hi everyone, today we're making air fryer ham and cheese sliders.
These sliders come out golden brown and melty and are a great crowd-pleasing snack.
Here's how I like to do it, let's make them together.
First, grab 6 slider buns, we use King's Hawaiian, keep them connected, and slice horizontally through the block so you have a top and a bottom section. Carefully open them up and spread 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard on the bottom half of the rolls. Then place 2 to 3 slices of Swiss cheese on top of the mustard so that the bottom of the bread is generally covered. Now place 6 slices of deli ham on top of the cheese. We like to fold them in half and overlap them just a tad. Finally, place 2 to 3 more slices of Swiss cheese, depending on their size, on top of the ham. When you're done, close up the sliders with the top bun and set them aside. Grab a small bowl and mix together 1 tablespoon of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt or more to taste, and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Now, preheat the air fryer to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, or about 160 degrees Celsius. When it is hot, place the sliders in the air fryer and then brush the tops with the melted butter mixture. Lisa actually prefers the classic mixture with Worcestershire sauce, but I really like this one as well. Air fry the sliders for 6 to 9 minutes or until the cheese is melted and the bun tops are golden brown. Be sure not to overcook or the tops may get too dark and burnt. When they're done, remove the block of sliders from the air fryer, cut them up, and serve. And that's it. You can find the written version of the instructions in the pinned comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more air fryer recipes posted every week, and we'll see you next time. Bye!